Your iPhone might look safe right now, but what if I told you that someone asterisk could be spying on you asterisk without you even knowing? From invisible hacks to government-level snooping. Today I'm showing you how your iPhone can be hacked or spied on, and trust me, the last method will absolutely blow your mind. But before we dive in, make sure to check the description below. We've added tools to help you find passwords, recover accounts, and even check if you're being spied on right now. Let's start simple: malicious apps. Some apps pretend to be games, utilities, or even flashlight tools. But behind the scenes, they could be accessing your mic, camera, or even your messages. Always check app permissions. If a calculator app wants access to your location and camera, that's a problem. Next, phishing. Ever get a message like, "Your Apple ID has been locked. Click here to fix it"? That link might lead to a fake site that steals your login info in seconds. If it feels urgent or scary, it's probably bait. Don't click it. This one's personal. Sometimes it's not hackers, it's someone close to you. There are legit-looking apps that let people monitor calls, texts, even your GPS, and they don't even show up on your home screen. Set a strong passcode, use Face ID, and check for configuration profiles you don't remember installing. Think twice before plugging into those free charging stations at airports or coffee shops. It's called juice jacking. Attackers can load malware into your phone while it's charging. Use a USB data blocker or just bring your own charger. Simple move, big protection. Now, here's the one that blew my mind. Hackers, or even surveillance agencies, can set up fake cell towers, also known as stingrays. Your iPhone will connect to them automatically, thinking it's just another legit tower. From there, they can intercept calls, texts, even track your location. And there's no alert, no warning, nothing. It's like your phone got tricked into snitching on you, without you ever knowing. Now you know, even the smartest smartphones have blind spots. Which of these shocked you the most? Don't wait until it's too late. Check the description below. Scan your phone, recover accounts, and make sure no one's spying on you. Stay safe out there.